I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple's password security recommendations based on any sort of information that it finds online about the passwords you have saved on your iPhone. So the first thing we're going to do here is open up our Passwords app. You're going to unlock it with your face. If you haven't set this up already, you'll need to set that up. It'll be very simple. But once you have this open, it'll show all of your passwords in the All section. And if you go right below that, you can see the security with a nice big exclamation mark. This, if we click this is the list of all of our potentially compromised passwords based on any sort of data leaks and things like that. You can click on any of these particular accounts and it will show you your username and your password, and it will allow you to have the option to change your password. If you click on that, it should open up the website of that particular account, and then you can log in and change your password one by one. Now you're all set to change your unsafe passwords and be safe from now on. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.